What's up guys, Reggie here, back again with another video. Today I have some Tudia cases for the iPhone 10. I have the merge case in rose gold and the TAM case in black. So let's just go ahead and open it up and see how they look. This is the merge case in rose gold, so it looks pretty cool. I like that. It's got some black accents and rose gold back. Looks like it's a two-piece kind of thing, so this pops off if you want it to. Nice, we'll just drop it in. Okay, cool. So it fits nicely. Here are your cutouts for your microphone, lightning port, and speaker. Thing looks real good. Thing is nice and tight. You have some raised edges here, so you can put it face down. Pretty good. Here's your volume rocker button and lock unlock button. Everything activates really nicely. Your notification switch, your mute toggle, camera cutout at the top. Everything's good. Nice and recessed in there so your camera is protected. Everything feels good. The only thing is that this back makes it a little bit slippery, but no worries. It has these little striations here on the edge so that when you hold on to it, you have grip at the edges. So that's nice. So if you're into this one, this is the Tudia merge case for your iPhone 10. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. I like this one. So next is the TAM, and this is I got the black color TPU. We'll just drop it in really quick and check it out. So I got the black color. It has these like little carbon fiber-ish things on the top and the bottom. Pretty good look. On the side it has some ridges here so that you have some grip when you hold on to it. Very nice. Buttons activate really well. You have access to your mute toggle right there, easily, very easily. Here's the cutout for your microphone, lightning port, and speaker. You have some raised edges right here so you can put it face down. Very good. And also your camera cutout right here is really good. It's nice and raised so that you can put it down and not be worried about your camera. So definitely a good look. I like this one too. This is a good one. So if you guys are interested in these Tudia cases, this is the Tudia TAM and the merge. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description below if you want to check these out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. My name is Reggie and I'm signing out. Take care, guys. Peace.